If you offer your customers a broad product portfolio and a large number of variants, you are faced with the challenge of translating various customer requirements into individual solutions. Doing so requires internal consultation, meaning your customer has to wait. He is frustrated and you lose his trust. But that need not be. With Incoway's leading CPQ solution, you can simplify the entire process, from product configuration to pricing and quoting. With Configure Price Quote, you can react quickly to individual customer requirements. At the same time, you can keep track of your variants. You can offer a contemporary customer experience that ensures satisfied customers. CPQ allows you to create compelling offers that lead to a fast and reliable conclusion of contract. You optimize your processes, working more efficiently and, thus, more profitably. Incoway supports you from the planning to the implementation to the operation of your CPQ solution. Learn more at Incoway.com.